So our Walt is to use text features, that's titles, headings, contents, diagrams, and captions in our for our reading. We're going to use the book The Life Cycle of the Kiwi, written by Betty Brownlee, and it really shows well how the titles, headings, contents, diagrams can help us when we're reading to gather information. So here's the table of contents, and you can see that all of the things that in the book are all written down there in a list, and you can have a look and see which page that information is on. So here's information about where Kiwis live, right at the top there. And some highlighted information is in orange, and then you can have a look at the chunk of writing there, and it's got about the different types of Kiwis, and you can see that they're highlighted in italics there. And then it's got information around it. On the right-hand side, you can see a map, which is a diagram, a map of New Zealand, and on that has got the pictures of those different types of kiwi or species of kiwis, and it shows pictures and then a little bit of information about where they are. You can see it really easily and really simply in this diagram. Okay, this page is about the burrows again. You can see the writing in orange gives us a really brief introduction, a bit of information there, and then you can see quite easily the chunk of writing that says location. So obviously that's going to tell us about where the burrows are, and on the other page it talks about the nesting chamber, and there's a little bit of information under that. You can see that the headings are quite clear because they're dark. They're larger than the rest of the writing, and a font that is easy to read. What do kiwis look like? Yep, so we've got here, again in the orange with a bit of information. It shows us the bill. Here is our title, and it talks about this, and then it gives us a picture. Can you see that the colours here also help in eye-catching? So this is a picture of the bill. Okay, and it gives us information here about that. And then it tells us about the ears. There's a photo which shows the kiwi's ears. Same with the eyes. We've got our heading, we've got our information there, a photo which shows it to prove and to help us be able to see that, and our legs and feet. And again, a picture, or the heading, a picture, and then the information. What a kiwi sounds like. So we've got that same information there. It's easy, it's clear, and well laid out. It even has here a question, so that it answers that question for us. The feathers and wings, again, the font is larger, it's darker, it's slightly different. We have a picture or a photo, or a close-up photo of the wings to show the reader exactly what they look like. And the wings are here. Now here's a bit of information here, and again another lovely photo of the kiwi. Okay, the life cycle. Check out. Can you see the font? Okay, clear, and the information underneath it, and it gives us a lovely little sketch here that's been that shows the males fighting. Maybe they couldn't find a photo, so they've actually put a little sketch in there. Check this out, and here's a little bit of really important information. Okay, it shows us the territory, nest building with the information under each of those headings, and a sketch. Again, probably they haven't been able to find a photo, but they've given us a sketch of what it does look like to help us. And a really good bit of information here about how kiwis are paired for life. The eggs, again, we've got a lovely big photo of the egg. Incubation, check this out for extra information here. The pages are all set out the same, and it makes it easy for us to know exactly what to expect as well. So we've got photos of the kiwi eating, and also of what they do eat. And we've got lovely photos there showing the berries, the worms, and the bugs. Enemies of the kiwi. So the shrinking habitat, which talks about the deer, the pigs, goats, possums, etc. Information that we know, and we heard it in the Manu. Defence, again, the information comes under, and it's quite specific and precise information. And then we've got the predators and the photos of those as well. The life cycle of a kiwi, have a look and check out. Oh, I think we've had that one before. The kiwi chick. Okay, some lovely photos. The headings are there, very clear for us to see. We had that one again too. Okay, so here is at the very back of this book is an index. So the indexes gives us specific information. So if we want to know something about the kiwi's bill, then we can look on any of these pages here that you can see, and we can go to those and it will have information about it. Same with the chicks. If we want to know about the chicks, kiwi chicks, we go to page 24 and 27 and there will be information there. If we want to find out about the kiwi's voice, then we go to page 14 to page 15. It's slightly different to the contents because this actually gives us very specific information, things that we might want to remember and we will want to go back for. The bibliography is the list of books here that the author has used to gather or to help her gather information. It might be the information or it might even be photos. And an acknowledgement. So this author wanted to thank Television New Zealand's Wild South History Unit because that's where she gathered information, and also she got used some of the film footage for use. So that's using text features, titles, headings, contents, diagrams, and captions.